Mr. Investor, come, let me tell you something. Do you know you can have your CFO and still lose your land? Yes, I know we say the COO is one of the best. You can have it and still lose your land. So, welcome to today's episode. This is the third day of this series, Land Documents. We are here teaching all the necessary documents you need for your investment. So, today we are going to be talking about two documents which include the deed of assignment and governor's consent. So these two documents are very strong and very, very important to this business of investment, property investment. So yes, I said earlier that you can still have your CFO and lose your land. This is why. Don't judge me. Calm down. Let me explain. Calm down. Don't be in a rush. So, what is deed of assignment? Deed of assignment is a document prepared by a lawyer. This document, the parties involved are the buyers and the seller. It's like an agreement of transfer of property. Agreement of promise of transfer of property saying, nah, you own this property now. You own this property now. But the truth is that this transaction is clear on paper, like people believe it. But in court, you still have some issues to go with. Now, after those kind of documents, you might be handed over the CFO, which is good. And the deed of assignment shows there was a transfer of property from one individual to the another. But the question is, with this transfer, is this transfer notified in the higher places? Like, is the state aware that this transfer happened? Or if they go to court with your CFO, with your deed of assignment, will you win in court and say this is my property at the end of the day? So now, that brings us to another document that we call governor's consent. Now, what is governor's consent? It's a certificate given to an individual, whether you have your CFO. But yeah, before you get that, you must have your CFO that shows legal transfer of property from one individual to another. The state must be involved in this particular one, but in your deed of assignment, the state is not involved. It's just between you and one person and your personal lawyer. At the end of the day, they can say to the lawyer, and the lawyer will, I didn't say anything, no, call your lawyer. It's very important in this business. But without joking, whatever you do, even if you have your CFO and you are not the first owner of that land, CFO is given to the first owner of the land. That is where it's valid. But when this land is being transferred from the first owner to the second owner, Mr. Investor, you need your governor's consent. Yes, I say it, quote me anywhere, you need it. You have to take your CFO to them, let them know there was a deed of assignment, a transfer of property from Mr. A to Mr. B. And now Mr. B, you want to show state CE to, I'm now the new owner. There is where you get your governor's consent. Don't play with these documents. These documents, we might be saying it playfully like this, but the truth is that these documents hold vital role in your investment life. If you joke with those things, like I say, I'm wearing my black today. You know what it means now. I'm mourning those that will do bad investments, not mourning you, like mourning your investment going down the drain. Like, so let's talk about the features of this key difference between these two documents, deed of assignment and governor's consent. Now, deed of assignment is an agreement contract between just two parties, the buyer and the seller. While governor consent is an official endorsement or recognition of the transfer of that property. I don't know if you understand. For instance, let's take a legal standing, how it's been presented in court. Deed of assignment is a promise of ownership from one party to the other. I don't know, like a promise for the fact that you're giving me this, I promise you this is now your land. Let's write it in paper. It's between just these two parties, no other person. Now, what about governor consent in terms of legal standing? What is it? It shows the legal ownership. It's no longer a promise. It's no longer a transaction between two. It's now valid. The state now knows that this document has been given from Mr. A to Mr. B, and Mr. A that gave you that piece of property has no rights over it again. It now his Mr. B property. Mr. A cannot do anything about it. So what are the parties involved in this document? For deed of assignment, it's just the buyer and the seller. They are the party involved with their lawyer. But for governor's consent, you have the governor, the commission, the commissioner for land, or commissioner, yes, the commissioner for land is the commission responsible for landed property, the buyer and the seller. Now, but these two documents, like you see, you can clearly see that one have weight, the other does not. So you're supposed to know that the cost or the process of getting these documents will differ from each other. Drafting one can be drafted by your lawyer, but the other one you have to go through processes and applications, which subsequently will tell you how to go about it and what to do, what not to do, who to meet and not who to meet. So that's the purpose of this class. I hope at the end of the day we both understand the importance of these documents and which one we should look out for, no matter what we are holding in hand for tomorrow. For tomorrow. That is why we are saying all this. It's not just for today. Like we say, deed of assignment is just a promise. It's just a promise. It doesn't hold power. It doesn't hold authority. So try as much as you can to get the authority from the right place, which is the governor's office, governor's consent, commission for land. Go there, make sure you document your land, do everything you ought to do. Even when you bought the land, they gave you C of O, and you are not the first person. It's like a transferred C of O. You still need to go. You still need to go to make sure that the land is now yours. So thank you. Like and share so other people might learn one or two from this video, and stay tuned for our next week edition. This is the last day of this week edition. We said 2 topics every day, 3 days in a week, and that's the third day for this week. So take care, guys, and stay safe. Invest wisely. Thank you.